egg into the salt water. The materials are 2 glasses of water and 2 eggs and salt and spoon. Take the salt and put in the glass and stir it with spoon. And take the egg and put in a plain water. The egg sink in the plain water. Take another egg and put in the salt water. See what happens. The egg float in the salt water. The lighter material are float on the denser material. This is all water and thank you all.
My name is Samrit. I'm in Preppy. I'm going to do science experiment. This is vinegar, this is balloon, this is baking soda, and this is a bottle. Let's see the experiment. This is take a balloon. This is baking soda. Pour on balloon. And take the vinegar. Pour it in the bottle. Take the balloon on the bottle. Let's see the magic.